Animal Rivals just got its newest update, so let's take a look. First off, right as you spawn into this game, you realize that there's some grass, and they changed it. Now you can put in your own private room, but it has to be members. You can redeem redeem promo codes. Share your feedback, and your stats are coming soon. And you can play Snake. I still have no clue how to play it though. But that's not all. Over here, you can see that there's a new line of weapons. First up, we got these black dress pants, black suit, and a Deadpool enforcer, black fancy beard, black long hair. And if you wear all that, you literally look like John Wick. But they also changed shooting range. And now if you stand on this, I don't know how it works, but I really don't know how it works, but we have the new weapon. This thing is insane. It does have a crosshair, and it's pretty much a spam shotgun weapon. So you can hit like 3 people at a time with this. It's crazy. And no, that is not all. Right now, there has been a change where you can now do 3v3 maps and 2v2s, such as Bonsai, which is now available in 2v2. And I think that's really all. But I'm going to show you how the dress pants look on a naked monkey. These are how the dress pants look. I think they look pretty good. And they only cost around 200, and then 500, then 1,000, 1,500, and then 1,500. But that's all for the update. See ya.